Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix slow uploading on YouTube. So people upload on YouTube and they often have problems when uploading their videos, and uploading takes too much time and space. So in this video, I am going to show you what are the possible reasons and why they are experiencing this problem and their possible solutions. So first, the problem must be having large file sizes. So the bigger the file size is, lower the file will be uploaded on YouTube. And people upload their videos and set their videos in the wrong settings, which makes their file way too big than they actually need to be. So what you can do to fix this is to get the right export settings in your editor. So make sure that your video is exported as a .mp4. Now, if you do not know how to do this, you can always search on Google depending on what editor you are using. And the next important step is making sure that your video is in your video codec is a H.265 file. And this step is what actually YouTube recommends, and this will make your file smaller from before. The next one is to export in the same frame rate you recorded in. And because doing otherwise will affect the size of your file. So always double check your settings when you are exporting. The next problem is your internet speed. So this may be one of the main reasons behind YouTube's slow uploading. At least 10 Mbps speed is required to avoid such problems in the future. So what you can do to fix that problem is to first get a faster internet connection. You should switch from wireless Wi-Fi to a stable connection if you want to upload videos quicker and large files to YouTube. The suggested minimum broadband speed to expedite video uploads is 500 kb per second. A faster internet connection speeds up video upload and reduces YouTube buffering. Next, what you can do to fix that problem is to close other online activities. It would help if you closed other online activities when you are uploading videos to YouTube, since when you open many internet activities, they tend to make the internet connection low and thus slowing down the uploading process. And aside from that solutions to the problem mentioned, we also have here other solutions. First one is to clear your browser's cache. So the browser cache is a packet of individual information about the web pages you visit. So the data can cause problems if the stored information causes conflicts with the active content, making your video uploading to be slow. So you need to clear your browsers, your cache, cookies, and histories. And the last solution is to delete unnecessary files and remove non-critical programs from hard disk. Adequate storage speed increase your computer space, and it also improves the broadband speed, thus making video uploading to YouTube faster. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.